Welcome back to MTH Health. Today, we are diving into the world of waxing for different skin types. Whether you have normal, sensitive, dry or oily skin, we have the best tips and tricks to make your waxing experience smooth and effective. Understanding your skin type is the first step towards achieving flawless, hair-free skin. Let's begin. Episode 11. Waxing for different skin types tips and tricks. Before we talk about the best waxing techniques, it's important to identify your skin type. There are 4 basic skin types: normal, sensitive, dry and oily. 1. Normal skin. This skin type is balanced and rarely experiences irritation or excess oil. 2. Sensitive skin. Prone to redness, itching, or inflammation, especially after hair removal. 3. Dry skin. Often feels tight and flaky, lacking natural moisture. 4. Oily skin. Produces excess oil, making it prone to clogged pores and acne. Knowing your skin type will help you choose the right wax, preparation method and aftercare routine. General, sensitive dry oil for people with normal skin. Waxing is usually straightforward. Choose a good quality soft or hard wax depending on your preference. Normal skin handles most types of wax without irritation, so focus on maintaining a proper pre-wax routine. 1. Exfoliate the day before waxing to remove dead skin cells. 2. Apply a light moisturizer after exfoliation to keep skin hydrated. 3. During waxing, use a light pre-wax oil to create a barrier between the wax and your skin, ensuring a smooth pull. Normal skin routine. Exfoliate right pointing arrow light moisturizer right pointing arrow pre-wax oil. If you have sensitive skin, you know how quickly it can react to waxing. To reduce irritation, consider using a gentle, low-temperature hard wax. This type of wax sticks to the hair instead of the skin, reducing the chance of redness. Here's how to prepare. 1. Patch test. Always do a patch test 24 hours before waxing to check for reaction. 2. Use a soothing pre-wax gel that contains ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile. 3. Wax small sections at a time and apply pressure immediately after removing the wax strip to soothe the skin. 4. Avoid any scented products or exfoliation for 48 hours after waxing. Routine for sensitive skin. Patch test right pointing arrow soothing pre-wax gel right pointing arrow small areas right pointing arrow pressure after stretching dry skin requires extra care when waxing. The key is to hydrate and moisturize before and after the procedure. Start by 1. Gently exfoliate with a hydrating scrub the day before waxing. 2. Apply a rich, oil-free moisturizer immediately after exfoliation and at least 2 hours before your waxing session. 3. Use a creamy or beeswax-based wax, as these formulas have moisturizing properties that won't strip your skin further. 4. After waxing, use a nourishing aftercare lotion with ingredients like shea butter or jojoba oil to lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. Dry skin routine. Exfoliate right pointing arrow oil-free moisturizer right pointing arrow creamy wax right pointing arrow shea butter aftercare. People with oily skin may find that waxing clogs pores or even causes breakouts. To manage this, focus on keeping your skin clear and reducing oil production. 1. Before waxing, clean your skin thoroughly with a salicylic acid cleanser. 2. Skip the heavy moisturizer and instead use a light toner to remove excess oil. 3. Choose sugar waxes or strip waxes formulated for oily skin, as they are less likely to clog pores. 4. After waxing, apply a light, non-comedogenic lotion to soften the skin without adding excess oil. Final tips. Prepare and moisturize right pointing arrow. Avoid rewaxing spots right pointing arrow. Thank you for viewing the post. We hope these tips help you achieve smooth, healthy skin, no matter your skin type. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to MTH Health, and hit the notification bell for more expert skincare and wellness tips. Leave your questions and comments below, and if you like us, if so, let us know.